limit of square root of 7x plus 8 as x approaches 4. Kailangan lang po natin yung substitute na yung x 144. So, limit of square root of 7 times 4 plus 8. 7 times 4 is 28. Kaya pag-add na muna natin ito para maging 36. Pag naging 36 na, pwede na po natin mag-y square. Kaya yung square root of 36 is 6. Wow. Sa number 5 naman ay limit of x minus 5 over 2x plus 1 as x approaches 4. So, substitute lang po natin yung x. Kaya magiging 8 minus 5 over 2 times 8 plus 1. Pag minus po natin yung 8 minus 5, magiging 8. Wow. Tapos pag yung 2 times 8, magiging 16. Plus 1. I-add lang po natin yung 16 para magiging 7. Kaya ang answer ay 3 over 17 or 0.176. Wow. Para sa letter E, number 6, may given po na limit of f of x is equals to 5 as x approaches to 8. Limit of g of x is equals to negative 3 as x approaches to 8. At limit of h of x is equals to negative 2 as x approaches to 8. Isa-substitute lang po natin yung mga pinigay na. Kaya, ang f of x squared times g of x squared over h of x ay magiging 5 squared times negative 3 squared over negative 2. Pag squared na po natin, pwede na po natin divide with us. Pwede na po natin i-multiply as taas. 25 times negative 9 ay magiging negative 2, 25. At yung negative 2, pwede na po natin. Kaya magiging answer ay negative 2 to 5 over 9.
Okay na? Okay na?